Yeah, this is a complex area. I think, as people have pointed out, it is highly likely that your systems actually cannot routinely calculate and measure the correct taxes. Secondly, the mere fact that your assessment is done is hardly any indication you've got it right or won't be challenged. Thirdly, an assessment doesn't mean the assessment is right. And fourthly, what do you do in a situation where your own tax affairs could be the headline matter of a country boycotting your product, as we're seeing happening throughout Europe and the States? And that's the environment. And I've certainly been in enough boardrooms to also understand that taxes handle as one or two questions. Are our assessments up to date? And are there any queries? Good. No, must be fine. I remind ourselves, though, those who perform directors' duties, we have responsibilities to this country, social and moral, about do the right thing, pay the right tax. We are required to do that. There's no room to not do that. But what is right is complex. And secondly, how do I balance that with my fiduciary duty to this organization and to its shareholders and stakeholders and employees? It is complex, and I've not seen it being addressed adequately in the boardroom. Two things I wanted to do, and I know time is running short. Alan, thank you for making some time. We as a firm are committed to helping you cope with that in future, which means we need to offer completely new services. We need to have the technology solutions to help you figure out what we think revenue authorities will be able to figure out in 3 years' time. So we're developing and investing in those. Secondly, the question about whether you can wait 7 years to go to court to handle a complex matter, even if it is R1 billion or $1 billion of dispute. Complex. So we're investing in, and I think he's here today, Johan van der Walt, are you here today? Johan, right there in the corner. Johan is currently not a KPMG employee. His badge doesn't say what company he's from, but many of you will know him as what I think is one of the most preeminent dispute resolution attorneys in the country. He joins our team next week. That's because I think you need that advice. And I think we need to be able to be dealing with the sort of people who can stand on the stairs of a courtroom with both the revenue and our client looking extremely happy about the settlement they achieved, neither feeling that they have let the country or their stakeholders down. So Johan, I know I'm flattering you, but it'll be delightful to have Johan part of that team, and I really encourage, if there's some questions, ask him. I'm sure he'll be happy to respond to those today. And thirdly, areas like employment tax, the implications of getting it wrong for the business and for directors who get it wrong is massive. Your auditors don't hugely look at how well you're sorting out your PAYE. It's not hugely important to your financial statements. Where are you getting your comfort and assurance from that this stuff is right? Because the implications are big and getting complex. So we're delighted to say that one of the other people who's with us today, I haven't seen her yet, Beatrice Hoos, is from National Treasury. She drafts the legislation in this regard. We're delighted she's joining the team from Monday as well. Bottom line, we're committed to guide you through these incredibly complex, turbulent times. Tax is tomorrow, not what it was yesterday, and we're making the necessary changes to assist you in that. If you need us to come and talk to your boardroom about what you should be doing, ask. Enough sales pitch. Let's open that to a couple of questions, and certainly afterwards, a bigger breakfast and some warm food is provided for those of you who can stay. We've got about 15 KPMG partners here for you to interact with. But are there any questions for our two remaining speakers? And apologies, Tim had to fly back to get to a later meeting. Questions? Thoughts? I saw lots of nodding during some of this megatrend stuff. Is it striking some chords for you? Well, let's break. Let's keep it informal. Come and chat to us. Two things. The budget summary we put out last night, you've already got it in your inbox this morning. Within a week, you will be getting not a summary of the budget, but our guide to tax, which you can use for the rest of the whole year. Insights into all of the areas of tax, not just the changes. You'll be getting that within a week. This tax in the boardroom, we are committed to making sure that our clients actually do the stuff correctly, and it's our theme for the year. You'll be getting a lot of content from us. If you want it, if you don't want it, hit opt out, stop. Please don't. There's good stuff in there. Let's break. Let's have some food. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you to our speakers. Thank you to Tim in his absence. Come and have a bite, and let's talk more informally. Thank you very much.